Good morning. I'm Scott Naska, and this is Market Mashup, our weekly recap of financial markets of what happened last week and what we're looking for this week. Last week, good week for markets. Dow Jones was up 2.6%. S&P 500 was up 3.6%. And NASDAQ was up 4.1%. This breaks a four-week losing streak with markets, so it's nice to see the indices rally from basically a pretty tough middle August into September. All sectors were higher this week or last week in the stock market, and growth was an outperformer of value. So, we saw a little more risk taking that was taking place from investors looking to put a little bit more money in higher moving stocks. And that's always encouraging because of their beliefs that the economy could be getting stronger. We've got a lot of information coming out this week. All eyes are going to be on the CPI that is coming out tomorrow at 8:30. It'll be an August recap. And, it's something that the Fed is closely paying attention to. And they basically said that, and this will be the last report that they have before they have their meeting regarding Fed rate policy. So we want to just, keep an eye out on that. Any signs of a slowing in terms of inflation will be a positive in the eyes of the Fed, but they still are going to continue to raise rates this month and throughout the rest of the year just to make sure that they have a handle on inflation and really want to make sure some of the excess liquidity is moving out of the system. We also have August PPI coming out and retail sales that are coming out. So both of those will be coming out later this week. And those are just some other pieces of data that the Fed's going to want to take a look at. And also we'll have basically cost inputs at the producer level, and especially what the consumer's doing at the retail sales level. So you want to keep an eye out on that to see if the consumer is slowing down at all. We can see if input costs are going higher. This all adds up to, giving a better understanding where the economy is and how the Fed can move markets. Interest rates are still higher. They continue to go higher across the board. In anticipation of increased Fed movements later on this month. So, it's still a very dynamic market. It was nice to see stocks higher last week. We'll see if they can continue the trend this week. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, www.gencapmgmt. Feel free to shoot me an email message or give us a call. We have our team here ready to answer any questions that you might have regarding markets, your portfolio, or just want to get an update in terms of our thoughts. Once again, we're happy to answer anything. Take a look at our blogs, our videos. We've got a lot of nice information on our website, so feel free to please look at it. Once again, my name is Scott Naska, President of Generation Capital Management, and this is Market Mashup. Have a great week.